Today we're going to talk about possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives are used to talk about possession or ownership of something. For each subject pronoun, we have each possessive adjective. Here we have some examples. We use my glasses. For you, we use your shoes. For he, we use his hat. For she, we use her backpack. For it, we use its owner. For we use our classroom. For they, we use their house. We need to remember the relation between the possessive adjective and the subject pronoun. I, my, you, your, he, his, she, her, it, its, we, our, they, their. Now we are going to talk about the verb can and its negative form, can't. The verb can is to talk about something that is possible and to talk about ability to do things. For example, in here we have all the subject pronouns plus can. I can play piano. We can speak English. He can help you. What do you understand as can? It is poder in Spanish. Now, can is always in the same form, no matter the subject pronoun. If you use I, you, we, they, he, she, and it, it's always can. It is always followed by a verb in base form too. I can play piano. I, the subject pronoun, can, plus a verb in base form. We have, in the other side, the negative form. The negative form is to talk about no ability at all, or something that is not possible. In here, it follows the same rules. We only have can't, or cannot, the full form, with all the subject pronouns. No matter the subject pronoun, you only use can't, plus a verb in base form. Here we have some examples. I can't fly. I can't fly. It's not possible for me. They can't speak Dutch. She can't dance. Now we're going to talk about adverbs of frequency. These are the adverbs or the most common adverbs of frequency. Always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, and never. Okay? This is the frequency, let's say, for each one. Always means siempre. Usually, usualmente. Often, seguido. Sometimes, a veces. Rarely, raramente, rara vez. Never, nunca. They are always used in a way. Sometimes we get confused with this, okay? But we need to keep it in mind. I always drink coffee is the most common way to use them. They come after the subject pronoun. I always drink coffee. She never goes shopping. After the subject pronoun. Now, check this out. In third person, we need to add the corresponding change to the verb. S, ES, or IS. It's simple present. We are talking about frequency, about routines. Then, when we use verb to be, it's always the same process. First subject, then verb to be, and then the adverb of frequency. Plus a complement. I am always at home. He is sometimes sad. Now we are going to talk about present progressive or present continuous. Present progressive is basically to talk about what is happening at the moment of speaking, right now. This is the structure, which is very simple. We use subject pronoun plus verb to be plus verb plus ing ending. Okay, the ing form. The subject pronouns they go with a specific form of the verb to be. For example, I goes always with am. He, she, and it, third person, go always with is. You, we, and they go always with are. Then, they are followed by the gerund or the ing form of a verb. I am working right now. It's happening right now. He, she, or it is sleeping. You, we, or they are speaking English. These are the spelling rules for ing. If the verb ends in consonant preceded by e is removed or dropped and we add the ing. For example, dance, dancing. We drop the letter e so we can add the ing. Take, taking. We drop the letter e so we can add the ing. One-syllable verbs ending in consonant preceded by vowel and consonant at the end, we add ing. We need to double the consonant. Get, getting. We double the letter T, the consonant T. Swim, swimming. We double the consonant M. Now we are going to talk about going to. We use going to talk about plans in the future or for the future. This is the structure, which is very simple. First, we have the subject pronouns I, he, she, it, you, we, they. Then the verb to be. We need to be careful at the moment of using verb to be. We need to use the corresponding to the subject. For example, I am. He, she, it is. You, we, they are. Then we add going to the structure. I am going to. He is going to. We are going to. Then the next part of the structure is a verb in base form. This is not best friend, it's base form. I am going to go to New York. She is going to eat tacos. We are going to learn English.